Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to fix LD player lag issue. When you listen to the word player, the first thing that comes in mind is the video player or MP3 player. Similarly, LD player is a player which is used to play Android softwares and games in your PC or laptop. You can play most of the mobile games in PC or laptop. You might know that emulator performance mostly depend on the performance of your computer, so the problem may be related to your system, space, configuration, setting, specification, etc. Meanwhile, emulator settings are also important. In this video, I will highlight few of the important emulator settings which can boost your emulator speed. First step is enable VT in BIOS. If you want to enable VT, you can watch my video, link is in description. Most of the time the emulator lag should be fixed once you have enabled VT on your computer. If your emulator is still laggy when you are playing mobile games, you can try to reconfigure the CPU and the RAM allocated to your emulator. Close all the background application. You can either prefer task manager or you can click here show hidden icons. Click here. As you can see, this free download manager I am not using currently, so we can quit that. If you want to close background application, you can go to the task manager. Click on task manager. Here you can see Epic Launcher. Now we don't require Epic Launcher. You can close Epic Launcher. It consuming 107 MB of RAM, so you can close Epic Launcher and you can go through this task manager and you can close the unnecessary apps which you don't require now to run LD player, and then after that run LD player. First of all, you should run the LD player and click on the settings button in the top right corner of the home page. After that, you need to click on the advanced settings. Then you are able to set the RAM and CPU you would like to allocate to the LD player by clicking the small arrow on the right side of the CPU and the RAM. Just choose the number you want in the boxes and then click save to finish the setting. Generally, the higher number of RAM and CPU settings means that RAM and CPU will be allocate more resources to the emulator so that the emulator will be smoother when you are playing games. But at the same time, this also takes up more space on your computer. Please note that the number of allocated CPU cores should not exceed the number of physical cores your computer has. Also, you should make sure to leave Windows enough RAM to complete the settings properly. If you have a graphic card, upgrade your graphics drivers. Even if you have very powerful graphics card, it can't unfold its true performance without the latest graphic drivers installed on your PC or laptop. Thus, you need to download the newest driver software from the official website according to the brand of your graphics card. Besides upgrading the graphics driver, you can also enhance GPU performance. You can also enhance GPU performance by changing some settings. In terms of different graphic cards, there are different ways to change the graphic settings on Windows. We will take NVIDIA graphic card as an example to show how to reconfigure the graphics setting. Right click on the Windows desktop, then click NVIDIA control panel on the context menu. Firstly, you should go to Manage 3D Settings, Global Settings tab, then choosing the High Performance NVIDIA Processor in the drop-down menu of Preferred Graphic Processor. After that, you need to click Apply at the bottom right hand side of the window to complete settings. For other brands of graphics cards, you can search on Google for accurate settings methods. It will make gaming performance greatly different than before. After that, you can run a game with LD player to check whether the lags are fixed. You need to clean the disk cache of your Android emulator just like cleaning up the phone cache. You should run LD player. Click the setting button in the top right corner of the home page, and then you can directly clear the cache by clicking on cleanup button in the advanced option. But when you click the cleanup button, a prompt box will appear. This prompt box will remind you that it will clean the game data while you are cleaning the disk cache of the emulator. Thus, if you ever logged in any game by using guest accounts and you don't want to lose your guest account, you should save your game account first by connecting to your personal account. If you still experience lag running LD player, update LD player to the latest version. That's it in this video. I hope hope this all method is helpful to you and you are able to fix lag issue on the LD player. Let me know in the comment section if there is any query related to lag issue, or you can follow me on Instagram and you can message me over there. Link is in description. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.